Umentri rangba kejela ukonrat ki sangma ula ong baka jingpen silam ka sorkar pedeng ban pelaj aka pisa hinyos pak kelur tingka ban siu syagi kontraktor ki bapentri ki projek Jal Jeevan Mission JJM kadai halur ka rai ban pensangi ashwa ya ka jingpelaj pisa habaru ki jela jongkari ya ka pisa na ka benta ka JJM la pensangi ha ka kerdan jong ka sorkar pedeng kumta kamdan ka no kunu ka jingpelaj pisa syaki no kunu ki jela kumba kalong menta. Om tang sha Meghalaya hynrei hakari baroh kawei ong ukonrat sangma haga kendai trik no pra. Umentri rangba ula batai baka JJM ka deka mission ka badai ban kutno hau benai leber arja arpsau bat ka kinhun menteri ka sorkar pedeng kala rai ban pun kutno. Hynrei hadien ka kinhun menteri kala rai ban penjalan yakni ka program tat hadu banda pendap yaki projek ki barang ya syakman kata hadien beladap an pelong ya kajing kemi benia ya ki jingdo jingsam audit ki baya dei baka jing pentri kam ya kan ka skim hakal lengkari ka sorkar pedeng kala bu iki kindon bakan don ka jingle audit ya ka ba on sa pelong ya baro ki skim ki bala pentri kam hapo kari baro kawai batat hadien bala pendap ya ka jingle audit na ka benta baro ki skim kum taru katanat platingka jongkari da ka ba pensyong nongrim halor kani kan saplat ya ka pisa ong ukonran. Nalor kata umentri rangba ula penthi kinaru ba kan ka jingbym pelai pisa kam dei thek tang ya ka Meghalaya bat ba ka sorkar pedeng kan saplat ya ka pisa tat hadin bala pendap ya ka jingle audit halor ka jinglut jingsam. Kumta kam dei satya tang ya ka jela Meghalaya hynrei ka dei ha ka ri baroh kawai bat ngi khimi denti ba on sapen bait renti ya ki kam ki jam ya ki rai la dapan shim ka jingkeli ka dei ban tang ka jingpen tre kam pura ka badang ya syakman bar ka jingle ya ka audit bala batha da ka kinhun menteri ka sorkar pedeng halor kini ki skim ki badang ya syakman ula benram.
For JJM has been stopped at the central level for all state governments. So there is no fund being released to any state as of now. So not just Meghalaya, but the whole country. So maybe 1 lakh crore plus of bills are pending for different states. Now this is happening because of one simple fact that the JJM was a mission mode program, which was supposed to end in March 2024. And hence, in the cabinet, this decision was made, Government of India, cabinet decision was made. And therefore, automatically, since it was when April came, JJM ceased to exist. Finance department did not have any provision to continue giving funds for JJM because it was supposed to close in March 2024. And hence, without a cabinet decision to revert or to change that decision of closing JJM by March 2024 had to be taken by cabinet, not by finance ministry, not by Jal Shakti ministry, but by the cabinet, which then took place in the month of November or December, where government said we will extend it further till the projects that are going on right now are concluded. So that gave the scope for finance department then to go ahead with the processing of the programs that were post or bills that came post March 2024. Now the problem in that happened again was that the cabinet also put a condition that there will be an audit that will be conducted for all the schemes that are being implemented throughout the country. And only once the audit is completed for all the schemes, only then the finance ministry, based on that, will then release the funds. So that audit is happening in some places. It's complete. And so once that is done, then finance ministry will start releasing the funds. So therefore, it's not in the state of Meghalaya alone. It is the whole country. But we do expect that things will be streamlined. The decisions have been made. The question is just the final implementation is going on of the audit that was mandated by the cabinet, Government of India, of the ongoing schemes.
So, our state started audit or not?
Yes, we have. Yeah.